Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with a new website, TeePublic. So before we start, let me give you a short idea about this website. So TeePublic is an online platform for artists to see custom designed clothing and accessories. So to get started with TeePublic, simply head on over to TeePublic or teepublic.com on Google, and this is all the results I got after my search. So we have TeePublic also in Wikipedia. Okay, let's back to the official website. TeePublic t-shirts starting at $40 featuring to favorite TV. So this is the interface of this website. Like you see with me here, there's a lot of informations. So we'll come back to it later after I show you how to start on it and how to create an account. So let's back to here and click on create an account. So once you click on create an account, they will show you the present page. This is all the information, excuse me, that we want we need to write. And if you were already have an account, you will just log in from here. So now we need to enter our first name and our email address. This is obligatory. Then you will select country. This information should be right and valuable because they will check it out later. Okay, let's select the country over here. And then we need to create a password that we can remember it later and confirm it. And click here. Yes, I'd like to advertise my products in offsite marketing, and then you will just if you want to continue with Facebook, you can do it, okay, just by clicking over here. So now let's create an account. Last name can't be blank. Password confirmation doesn't match. Password, okay, I forgot the last name. And also the passwords isn't match password. So after we match our password, this should be now send an email. So let's check it out. Okay, this one here. Welcome to the community. Your account info for your records. Your login email is important. Okay, if you ever forgot your password, you can reset it by going to here. Remember, no one from TeePublic will ever ask for your password. If you ever have a question or need to reach us, don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, let's come back to see here if you can do anything. Okay, now we can use it from here. Now this is how to create an account successfully, and this is the interface again of the page like you see with me here. We have here a price increase, and we have here some promotions. And this site also present to you the print on demand, like all this kind of sites. The platform offers a print on demand service, producing items only when orders are placed. This eliminates the need for artists to handle inventory or production logistics. And like you see with me here, we have adults apparels and kids apparels. That mean the apparel and accessories. Okay, the TeePublic specializes in apparel, including t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, and more. Additionally, they offer accessories such as stickers, phone cases, mugs, and tote bag. And you can add all what you buy in here in carts. And this website is also presents you the international shipping. TeePublic offers international shipping, allowing artists to reach a global customer base and buyers to access unique designs from artists worldwide. So let's see the different items that we could find here. We have t-shirts, like you see with me here, different designs, and you will choose just the style that you want. If you want the adults apparel, the bros, kids apparel, masks, home goods. Okay, let's try with this one, wall arts, like example, to try to buy something and show you how to do that. So like example, let's try to buy this table here. Okay, it's beautiful. We need just to click on it. This is the price here. Okay, here you'll find all the information about it, the print type, the print size, the price, $7, and you will just okay, it's promotion. It was $13 and it's become $7. And you have this time to save 46%, and after 1 day and 6 hours and 49 minutes it will become $13. So to buy it, you need just to click on add to cart, and that's it. Okay, there is on my cards only this one here, and you will just check out, and you need to enter your information over here to can buy or sell with this website. Creating an account isn't enough for buy and sell. Okay, you need to write the shipping info, like the first name, last name, and address line first, and the second address line, and the country, the zip code or the postal code, and then the city, and you can select the state from here, and this you will just click on this order contain a gift. Okay, and you will select the shipping method that you want, the standard one or the ground one or the expedited one, and then just you will click on excuse me, on the confirm and proceed to payments. Okay, now let's come back. I will not do this because I will not buy anything. I just give you an example and show you how to do that. So that's all, my friends. Please, if you understand me, follow for more and do subscribe. So like usual, bye bye to the next video and the next website.